Look at that. Brand new 750 IG. Short block, width, upgraded oil pan. A couple other goodies coming on the way. Like the boost controller, stumble kit, a couple other things. I'll show you when we get to that, but it's tough. Don't worry, we still got the brand new cleaned up heads and everything. We picked that up the other day, as y'all saw from last video. But we're gonna put this whole on the engine stand and everything. Probably man got music in the background. We're gonna put this whole on the engine stand and put the oil pan. We're gonna get everything on. It's gonna be sexy. Yeah, let me go ahead and put you on a tripod so we can get this shit time lapse, you know? So hopefully we can see this badge from up top. That red gonna be looking good in the engine bay though. Oh, that's a right now. It's not, but hell yeah, let's get this shit started. Man, y'all hate to see it. Y'all hate to see your boy, ain't gonna lie. Look how tight that is. Alright, so IG with the old pickup, we're missing 2 spacers. So I gotta call them up tomorrow, see what they can send us out new ones. But with that, we're just gonna start doing the heads and stuff. Yeah, so we took off the whole oil pickup and everything, the whole oil pan. We gotta do that again. But as right now, we're just gonna do the heads and see what we can get done today. Alright, so we back. We started doing the heads again, to be honest, because we gotta finish that up. I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all back on the tripod and get this shit started. Yeah, I know we just cut off the video abruptly and everything, but the IG, like I told y'all before, didn't send out the spacers for the oil pickup. So we had to deal with that a little bit, and then missing a couple tools and everything. So, you know, I'm gonna cut back just whenever we start working again, which should be in like tomorrow or the next day. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut y'all real quick until when we get back to that.
sorry to cut y'all off like that. We couldn't fully finish the long block. We could have put the rest of the camshaft and everything else in, but couldn't finish it because they actually gave us the wrong what's it called, gasket kit. They gave us for an FA instead of an EJ. Kind of crazy because it's the old car, but anyways, it's whatever. So we're gonna finish it up. He said he's just gonna finish it. I'm not gonna record that part because you would have seen it anyways. So cut the video off short today because, well, not short because the video's already super long. Like, I still gotta edit and everything. Go ahead and cut the video off for y'all because it's getting kind of late. We got hungry, so he had to go eat. I'm gonna eat right now. I'm bringing food home for my pops and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video off. So, I mean, this is just part 1 of the whole assembly process. Part 2 should be coming around like, no, not fault. I'm gonna film it in 2 days or so. I don't know when it's gonna come out yet, but go ahead and cut you off. Y'all enjoy the video. Make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Y'all get posted whenever I post a new video, especially for the next part and when we get this car running. And I'll see y'all later.